Good afternoon, students. This I had sent the video on 4th September that was based on angle bisector, but by mistake I have sent only 40 seconds video based on altitude. So once again I am sending this video. This is for angle bisector. This is the last fourth line segment of a triangle. What we have learned? First we have learned median. After that second we have learned altitude. Then third we have learned perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector. And this is fourth is angle bisector. So in angle bisector we will see for a triangle angle bisector how this forms. As per the name angle bisector means this is the angle, and how we will bisect this? Using rounder. From here we will mark. In class 6 you have learnt angle bisector. From these 2 points we will mark, and we will mark. From here again we will draw an arc, and from these two places again we will cut off the same arc and we will join it. Same for here, and we will cut it here. So what we are observing, from all these angle bisector, these all are the angle bisector. From this all angle bisector we are observing all are meeting at one point. This point is called in center. So this in center, why we say in center? Because this makes a circle, and that circle, using this we will put here rounder with the center this, and when we will draw a circle it will exactly form one circle. So this circle is called in circle. This is called in circle, and this center is called in center, and these all three lines are called, these are called angle bisector, because this is bisecting angle. So all these three are bisecting angle to angle bisector, and concurrent point is in center, because this make a सर्कल विच इज इन सर्कल अंदर में. परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर में याद है कैसे ये बनता है? जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल दिस इज है ए परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर, ऐसे बनाते हैं. व्हेन वी ड्रा अ सर्कल इट विल मेक आउटसाइड अ सर्कल. इन हियर नॉट पॉसिबल. तो सर्कल is possible through this concurrent point of angle bisector only. For and this is possible in all any type. Suppose for example for this we will draw, and here also we will mark, and when we will draw here also possible. In obtuse you see, in obtuse we will draw, means this using rounder, this process you will do using rounder. So when here you will draw, it will also exact make a circle. So all three types of this triangle in circle will be inside the circle, inside the triangle, and in center, and all in centers will be inside, but it is not in such case. What is this circumcenter? Circumcenter means concurrent point of perpendicular bisector. So you can see here how to draw. And now it's a property. In property we will see, first property is this in center is equidistant from the sides of a triangle. This a sides of a triangle. A triangle के side से equidistant है. You can see these are the radii. So all these points will be, means this in center is equidistant from this triangle का side से. परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर में क्या होता है? ये जो सेंटर है दिस आर इक्विडिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द वर्टेक्स से इक्विडिस्टेंस है. क्या ये इन सर्कम सेंटर जो है, ये सर्कम सेंटर है. इट कम्स बाय परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर. तो परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर सर्कम सेंटर वर्टाइसेस से इक्विडिस्टेंस है, और इन सेंटर कहाँ से इक्विडिस्टेंस है? साइड्स से, वर्टेक्स से नहीं, साइड से. सो दिस इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन दिस टू फिगर. सो ओके, थैंक यू, एंड यू विल सॉल्व क्वेश्चन बेस्ड ऑन दिस. दैट इज ओनली फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स related with the property only. Okay.